From 1 to 10, do you feel like you are spending an overwhelming amount of time on social media and not enough time nurturing leads and actually getting sales from your marketing? All right. So if you answered, let's say anything higher than a 6 or a 5, because you do have to spend some time on social media, then this chat is for you. Here's the thing. We get so sucked in to these platforms, and honestly, sometimes with trends and things that don't even really matter, that we forget as to why we're even using and spending time on these platforms. And really what it's for is to create relationships, connect with more people, and then move those relationships to a place where we can make our offers and make a bigger impact, right? So if you are brand new to my profile or over on Stylishly Branded or Get Hype Media, welcome. My name is Gina Tassinelli, and I am the CEO and founder of Hype Media and Stylishly Branded. Together, my team and I support small business owners, experts, established thought leaders, coaches, consultants to help you ignite your influence on social media with real strategies that lead you to connect with real humans, not just followers, and actually convert them into sales. And so a piece of this is delegation. Because even myself, as somebody who's been in business now for 14 years, I know what it's like and to feel fearful of actually hiring somebody to either take over your entire social media marketing or somebody to take over some pieces of it, right? There's fear of, can I afford it? There's fear of, will they know exactly how to represent me and, what to do and how to put myself out there? So a lot of things play a part in stopping us from actually delegating. Myself I would say I am a control freak, a recovering control freak. I know what the feeling is like. And so in the very beginning of my business, I did it all by myself. I wore all the hats, right? Like many of us entrepreneurs do. But what I soon found out, well, it took about 5 years, honestly, is that what I was missing was not only was it stopping me from actually showing up at the highest version of myself and staying consistent, but I was also working too much in my business on all of this stuff here, social media, all these platforms, new trends coming out, tech, all of that, and working less on actually making a bigger impact with my current clients and new clients. And so when you understand and you actually embrace that, you can't do it all on your own, not forever, and it's time to step it up to the next level, delegation is key. So let's talk about the 3 reasons why delegating is going to help you step into that next level. Okay. So the first thing is that when you're able to delegate social media to an actual expert or work with an expert, so maybe it's not taking your entire social media marketing off your plate, but maybe it's working with an expert, a coach, a consultant that actually has the methods and strategies because they live, eat, breathe, and sleep social media strategy and management, like myself. What happens is you're able to actually put your message out there in a way that makes sense to your audience because we know what that looks like. We know how to keep that message consistent and cohesive. And so it allows you to spend more time actually serving your clients at a higher level because you don't have to do all that other legwork, right? It takes time to build strategy. It takes time to have a method and to achieve a level of success using social media as a tool in order to bring in leads. And if you're not an expert in it, if it's not your lane, it's going to take you much longer and it's going to cause frustration. And what happens then is you end up not showing up. And guess who your ideal clients are going to see? They're going to see somebody else instead of you. So one key reason to delegate, if not all your social media, but parts of your social media to an expert is because of that method and the strategy that is needed. Okay. Number 2 reason. Now, this is a little counterintuitive, but managing social media is going to cost you money one way or the other. So if you hire somebody, or if you delegate parts of that management to somebody, you need to pay for their services, right? If you don't hire somebody, you're still paying for it one way or the other. You're paying for your time, you're paying for your loss of acquiring new business because you're spending your time on social media, right? So, one way or the other, you are paying because time is money. So, that's number two reason why you definitely want to consider delegating parts of your social media or all of your management to somebody else. And actually, that goes along with number three. Social media, it's time consuming. So again, you're going to waste time and spin your wheels and second guess yourself when you're not delegating those things that are not in your lane, that you're not an expert in, to somebody else. Some of the things that you will achieve, and this is just a short list because I'm telling you there's a lot more to this, when you are actually using social media with somebody who's an expert, is driving more engagement to your content from your ideal clients. You're able to give more feedback, do better customer service to those that already work with you or those that are, thinking or considering to work with you. You're going to build more interaction with the right people because you're going to be able to have more time to actually relationship build rather than trying to give brand awareness to your business, rather than collecting leads, things like that. You can spend more of your time actually building those relationships. When you're working with an expert, somebody that you're going to delegate parts of your social media management and creation and strategy to, or maybe it's all of it, you're able to also understand what the right social platform is going to be for your business. You're able to elaborate on your strategy so that it really is aligned with your goals. You're able to plan, create, and even publish content. Now, the create and publish can be delegated to somebody else, but now you're going to be able to plan better with even if it's just one individual, or maybe it's an agency that you're hiring. When you're able to plan, you have other people that can create and publish, and you can work with a team or feel like you're working in a team environment, even if it's just with that one extra person that you are delegating the creation and the publishing to. Work with them to plan. You're able to build visibility much faster. When you're doing this on your own and you're not sure what to do and you're second guessing yourself, and maybe you're taking advice from 10 different people, you're still figuring it out on your own, right? So when you actually have somebody else to help you with that, somebody to keep you accountable with your responsibilities, but their responsibility is maybe these things that take time on your ends, like creating copy, like creating designs, graphics, like putting lead magnets together, creating thumbnails for videos, things like that, editing videos, all of that stuff that really, if you're going to use social media as a marketing tool, are necessary to do effectively and efficiently. If you're spending time doing those things that you're not really sure how to do, it's taking time away from actually serving your clients and building your visibility. You're also able to assess your performance at a higher level rather than just like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping that it sticks. So I hope this is helpful. And if you have thought about possibly delegating social media management or parts of social media management and marketing to somebody else, and if you are in that space, if you're in the space where you are considering it, let's hop on a call and talk about that. So that is what we do as an agency, but it's also something that we do inside of the Ignite Your Influence on Social Incubator, which our upcoming session is getting ready to start. We are taking applications for this, and I'm so excited to do that. So drop the word Ignite if you want to learn more about that and see if you are a good fit for us, if we are a good fit for you. What this program does is not only is a done with you, so we are going to help you fast track your social media marketing strategies and what you're implementing on social media, but you're going to have accountability and you're going to have some done for you services as an agency, but not at the agency level. So if you're looking for a place, a high level mastermind where you can work with myself as your marketing expert, your personal brand coach, and social media strategist, together with my partners, Candy Lee, who is our sales, business, and mindset coach, and Caitlin, who is part of our tech team supporting all of our members, this is the place for you. And I'm happy to get on a call, share more about that experience, what that's going to look like for you, the possibilities for you and your business, and how we can help you grow. So just say the word Ignite down below, and we will send you that application and then book a call to learn more about you and how we can work with you. See you guys later. Bye.